Breaking news! We've finally been allowed to join Young Farmers. This is going to be fun. He's Dan, he's James, and we're here to find out what Young Farmers is about. So let's see what's going on at the moment.
Everybody!
1, 2, 3. Loads of competitions in the rally, from stock judging to flower arranging. All the winning competitions at the rally go forward to national competitions.
What are you lads?
Oh, we're just practicing for the woodwork competition.
Might need one of these in, lads.
Oh, thank you.
So it always rains on rally day. Over to long, the weather.
We're expecting interesting weather at Roscoe for Rally Day. It's due to be the biggest storm of the year, with a rain shower of talent and flashes of genius. They'll be needing some good sheds for the flower arranging competition, but let's hope it doesn't dampen our spirit.
Thanks, Lauren. So we're all prepared for the next county rally. What goes on that county? I'm not sure. I know Fiona Aberley's Radnor County chairperson, and they host all the big events. Cool. Shall I ask Kate? She's Payable's chairperson, she'll probably know more. Kate, what happens at county in Radnorshire?
There are committees you can get involved in, such as the youth forums and activities, which organise the county-wide events.
That would be fun. Who gets to make the decisions?
We all do. The decision goes to the vote, so we all get a say.
So we can influence what goes on? First table, and then we can take over the world. What about the National Federation of Young Farmers?
It's the same setup, but just much bigger.
Thanks, Kate. You've given us plenty to think about. I wonder how many members there are in the UK. That is about 25,000 members. Whoa, that's a lot of potential friends. I hear there's a lot of friends to be made on the AGM. Pity we're too young. One day. Let's find out a bit more on Young Farmers from our members.
What can you tell me about Pennybont YFC?
Meet at Crossgates Community Centre every Monday from 7:30.
Pennybont is the oldest club in Radnor, founded in 1942.
There are currently 43 members in Pennybont Young Farm.
Kate's the chairperson, and Amy's the secretary.
So now we know the basics, what else can we expect from Young Farmers?
Perhaps we could ask some of the older ones and past members. Let's go. Tracy, what's your best experience with Young Farmers?
In 2007, I got selected to go on a national discovery trip with National Young Farmers. I went to Zambia in Africa for 6 months, where I worked in a school. It was the most amazing experience of my life. I met loads of people and learnt loads.
Whoa, that must have been fun. Can anyone do that?
Yeah, National Young Farmers do trips all the time, all over the world.
That's great. Amy, what is it like being secretary of Pennybont Young Farmers?
It's really hard work, especially having such a young club, and you've got to be really organised, but it's really rewarding, especially after we won the field day and all our effort paid off.
Stacey, you work at Wales YFC. What else goes on around there?
Well, I'm the new Training and Development Officer for Wales Young Farmers, and my job is to basically work hard to make sure members get accredited for the work they do with the young farmers. So hopefully you'll do all this work for a purpose in the future, so stay tuned.
Fred, what is your best memory of YFC?
Probably one of my favourites is in about 1992, a long time ago now, the first pantomime competition. At the time, Pennybont were, like they are now, a very young club. I think I was about the oldest in it, at 21, and we happened to win.
I can't wait to get involved. So now we're 12, and Young Farmers aged 10 to 26. That means we've got 14 years to cause trouble. Double trouble. So come and join Pennybont Young Farmers if you want to. Make new friends, have a go, and join in the fun.